Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students of class 9th. Question number 7 के बाद question number 8 exercise 10.5. Circles के हवाले से if the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal then it is a cyclic. Again मैं question repeat करने जा रहा हूँ. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal then it is a cyclic. Dear students, in this question we have a trapezium. Say ABCD, in which AB is parallel to CD and its non-parallel sides BC and AD are equal. Non-parallel sides are equal. One pair of opposite sides is parallel and another pair non-parallel, but they are equal. Now we have given a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel CD in which BC equal to AD. Non-parallel sides are equal. We have to prove that if this condition will be given, then we have to show that this trapezium ABCD is a cyclic. Cyclic means we can draw a circle which will pass through A, B, C and D. Cyclic quadrilateral की दूसरी definition है कि ये quadrilateral ये trapezium बन सकेगा cyclic अगर इसके opposite angles दोनों pairs होंगे opposite angles की supplementary means angle A plus angle C if this will be equal to 180 and the another sum angle B plus angle D will be equal to 180. अगर एक पेयर हम दिखा सकेंगे इन opposite angles का sum अगर हम दिखा सकेंगे 180 then we can say it is a cyclic quadrilateral or cyclic trapezium. Now you have given a trapezium say ABCD in which AB parallel CD and non-parallel sides AD and BC are equal. To prove ABCD is a cyclic trapezium. Construction. ये प्रूव करने के लिए कि ABCD एक साइक्लिक ट्रापेजियम है तो हम एक दो पैरेलल साइड्स ड्रा करें दो परपेंडिकुलर्स ड्रा करेंगे D से एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा करेंगे DM, C से एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा करेंगे CN. दो परपेंडिकुलर्स हमने ड्रा किए लॉन्गर साइड पे ABP. ड्रा DM perpendicular on AB and CN perpendicular on AB. Prove in two triangles. हम दो triangles देंगे dear students. This triangle AMD and BNC. In two triangles AMD and BNC इनको कॉन्ग्रुएंट करेंगे. फर्स्ट कंडीशन वी हैव इन दिस टू ट्रायंगल AD equal to BC. It is given because non-parallel sides of trapezium are equal. It is given AD equal to BC. Second condition DM equal to CN. DM it is the distance perpendicular distance between two parallel sides and CN it is also the distance between two parallel sides. Parallel sides के दरमियान parallel sides वो parallel sides हम उन्हीं sides को बोलते हैं जहाँ पे हम कहीं पे भी measure करेंगे distance तो distance अगर same होगी then the parallel sides are parallel. So therefore DC is parallel AB, therefore the distance between these two parallel sides will be same at any point. So DM equal to CN. Distance between two parallel sides. अब AMD angle AMD is equal to angle BNC. Each is 90 by construction. Dear students, आप देख रहे हैं आपने तीन कंडीशंस कलेक्ट किए. AD equal to BC it is given, DM equal to CN, distance between two parallel sides, and one angle is equal, angle AMD equal to angle BNC because each is 90 by construction. Now AD equal to BC, AD is in this triangle. AD is the side opposite to 90. That means it is hypotenuse. BC is side opposite to 90 in this triangle. Therefore, it becomes here hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equal to hypotenuse. Side equal to side. 90 equal to 90. Therefore, two triangles. Triangle AMD congruent triangle BNC by RHS congruence rule. By RHS congruence rule. When the two triangles are congruent, corresponding parts are equal. Corresponding parts बनेंगे sides B और angles B. हम लेंगे angle A equal to angle B. Angle A equal to angle B. CP CT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. But angle A plus angle D पूरा angle A plus angle ADC equal to 180 because DC AB, these are parallel sides. This will be the transversal. Angle A and angle ADC, these two angles, consecutive interior angles or angles in the same side of the transversal. When that two lines are parallel, then the consecutive interior angles are supplementary. इसलिए angle A plus angle ADC plus ADC is equal to 180 consecutive interior angles. Angle A plus ADC equal to 180, but A equal to B implies angle B plus angle ADC is equal to 180. Therefore, one pair of opposite angles, one pair of opposite angles of trapezium or supplementary. Therefore, ABCD is a cyclic trapezium. इस तरीके से इस क्वेश्चन में हमने प्रूव किया there is a trapezium. If non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is always a cyclic trapezium. Fi amanillah.